If you're looking for a big home in Etobicoke with 4 spacious bedrooms, a large eating kitchen, separate family and dining rooms, an office or bedroom on the main floor, a finished basement with a walk-up entry and a full kitchen, a backyard big enough for a pool, and if being really close to some awesome schools, parks, and a Starbucks is an added bonus, I've got the perfect house for you. I'm Michael Maniaci with Engel & Volkers Real Estate. This is 58 the Westway. Come with me, let's check it out.